left for the land. 230 at 20.
7 left, clear.
I fly 445. Wind 010 at 5 knots. Runway 01 right. Clear to land. Low visibility procedures in effect.
Runway 01 right. Clear to land. I fly 445.
29 right turn, ground time. 707-270 heading south 1560. We are do our best. 35 your day, south 15.
Giant 74 Tango Whiskey, 26 for 3,000, 140 on heading.
23 is 1800 for 3.
Continue.
Retard.
About 23. Contact departure. By departure like 714. 2740 and 301, see you later.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our destination. For your safety and comfort, we ask you to remain seated until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check around you for any belongings. Also, please use caution when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have shifted during the flight. Thank you for flying with us, and have a pleasant day.